Hey guys, welcome to a new video today, and this is just going to be to tell you some of the news that happened during GDC for Unity specifically, and with the introduction of Unity 2018, with all the advancements that they're going to do with the scriptable render pipeline, and all the things that you will see for high-end PC for the future, that Unity have partnered with lots of AAA related content, whether that be materials, models, assets, plugins, all ready to take everything to the next level when it comes to Unity 2018. So there's a few particular big announcements in terms of what they've partnered with. So they've partnered with Quixel Megascans, which is a big catalogue of items, models, textures, and already scanned models which you can get access to, which you will see that they've used in their Book of the Dead sort of release trailer and their Adam demo, which allows you to create the environments very quickly. As I say, a whole range of scanned 3D objects, vegetation, surfaces, and all in PBR pipelines, and you can find some of the asset packs on the store. Unity have also partnered with a big one called Game Textures, and that includes a whole bunch of high-end quality PBR related materials, and you can find some of these contents on the Game Textures website for use in programs like Substance Painter, but you will find also some packs on the Unity store. Unity have partnered with Algorithmic to bring the Substance Live link available for Unity itself, and allows you to access Substance Source, which is Algorithmic's sort of library of PBR materials, all within the Unity engine, and allow you to live link between Substance Painter to Unity to get a real-time look of how it would look in the engine. Unity have also looked into partnering with Dutch 360 Skies, which allows you to get 4K, 8K skyboxes, which are taken from the real world and can be used in any sort of architecture, VR games. And last but not least, Unity have teamed up with TurboSquid, and they've brought up to 240 plus high quality models from the store straight to the Unity Asset Store for whatever purposes you may need. And you can check out the Unity's page on the actual AAA materials from Quixel Megascans, which is the Lava Field and the Valley collection, which you can see some of the images below. Game Textures with their host of texture packs for concrete, wood, and all sorts of surfaces. The Dutch Skies skyboxes with some content is available for free, and I will leave a link in the description for you to check out everything that I've discussed today. So I suppose as long as your budget allows, you can make extremely awesome stuff a lot easier than you ever could before. So be sure to check all these out if you want to take it to the next level. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.